Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's fold this pyramid gift box together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, hole puncher and a little bit of rope. And let's start with folding it. We'll fold it on a first diagonal. And now open it and fold it on the other. Like this. Now the next steps we'll do on all four corners. So bring this top right outside line and align it with the middle line. Press it down and bring in the top left corner. Now we'll bring this upper point of the paper down to this part here, so we'll fold this part of the paper in half. And press it down. Now we'll open it and do the same on the other side. And on the last one. Like this. Now we have a small square in it and we will reinforce those lines. So flip apart a little bit over on the line and press it down. So we reinforced one line. So next one. And this upper one. And the last one. Like this. Now if you want, you can take a hole puncher and punch a hole approximately a centimeters from this corner, or you can just glue it together later. Like this. So now we will lift the sides up and bring this middle part inwards, and also on the other side on the square bring inwards and up, and on this one bring the sides inwards on our guided folded lines and up, just like this. Now if you didn't punch the hole, you can glue it together, but otherwise take a little bit of ribbon and I will do a chocolate candy in it. And now I will go through the first hole from outside, through the next from the inside, again from the outside in, and for the last one from the inside out. And then just tie a knot. Like this. And this is how you make a pyramid gift box. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow in next one. Bye!